Today I'm going to weld up a dumbbell weight rack using some 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch square tubing and angle iron with the AHP Alpha TIG 200. The legs right here, and I use stainless steel filler rod because that's what I've got and it looks real pretty. And so this is the part that's going to be on the floor, and you're usually barefoot when you're working out, so you don't want to jam your toe into that. So I made this little plug for it, and I put a little relief hole in here because when I'm welding this up around and I come to finish it off, the hot air is going to want to escape through that final opening, and your arc will deflect and want to go anywhere but that spot. So if you drill that little relief hole, the hot air has a place to escape and you'll close it up just fine. And I learned that the hard way. Using the square here, have it at 10 degrees from horizontal. Here it is. My little brother does a lot of weightlifting, and I wanted something to weld, so I made it for him. And I put the weights on there to show you how big it is. Won't hold a lot of weights, but it'll hold everything it needs to. So, time to put some paint on it.